Hi, how's life, boss? You look cool.
आपने भी पहन ली।
आज राज ठाकरे हमारा नेता है।
Raj Thakur. He's right now being transferred from.
क्लास में कौन किया?
Yes, ma'am. What do you think about this seminar?
I think this is a fantastic model, very innovative and so different. Trying to build these are, I think, life skills, putting them out on the street and learning whatever they've learned in the classroom, applying that back is a great way of teaching management. And I really would waiting to see what happens at the end of the day and listen from the students what's their learning being. So, great
And what do
idea.
you find the energy of the students? Are they good or?
Extremely high and very infectious and contagious. So really nice to see all of them spirited and ready to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
What do you think of this seminar?
I think it's a great concept, and I think it's a win-win for three different groups. So I think that's phenomenal about it.
And how's the interaction with the students going on?
I think it's very good. I think the students are quite excited about it,
Okay.
and I think they should be able to do fairly well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So what are you going to do guys today? What is the
Just going
process?
to have fun in the market.
Not the girl, for the girls.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, we are basically gonna go to the market, target the audience over there,
Yeah.
and then we would just love to sell the toys, get the maximum out of it so that we can contribute to the NGO.
And how's the energy of the students? Your
Well,
friends?
we are full of energy. We are just ready to go to the market. Just waiting.
Okay, rock and roll then.
Thank you.
Dr. Natarajan,
Okay.
and we'll lash out in the market with
Okay.
full of energy and enthusiasm. And obviously the great product we have been provided, and we believe that we'll not left with any of our inventory when back into the institute.
What is the benefit actually you're getting from this?
We are learning the classroom concepts and we are applying those in the market.
And
So it's
basically
gonna
above
be a
all-
lot of fun in the field.
And above all, this is the great enhancement of self-confidence, communication power, and basically it's a way to approach the common people and to imprint the product and rather our idea in the customer's mind. There's a great confidence.
Is it fruitful?
Yeah, definitely. Exactly.
We are
It is a great
going with the
confidence.
motto.
Best of luck guys.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Thanks, sir. Bye.
Bye.
सर आपके स्टूडेंट्स क्या करने वाले हैं? What is the process today?
आज हमारा नारा है कि हमारा धंधा हमारी कमाई। इसके पीछे स्टूडेंट ये नया कॉन्सेप्ट है लर्निंग का, इसमें स्टूडेंट सीखेंगे बाज़ार में जाकर कि कैसे कस्टमर से बात करनी चाहिए, कैसे उसको अप्रोच करना चाहिए, इससे उनको झिझक खुलती है। द होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज़ नॉट जस्ट टू इनिशिएट अ प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग बट ऑल्सो गिव देम द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ हाउ द थिंग्स कैन हैपन इन द रियल मार्केट प्लेस।
So
रिटेल के अंदर असली कंज्यूमर है वो आपका बाज़ार का कंज्यूमर है, तो बाज़ार में कैसी चीज़ें होती हैं, कैसे आती हैं, कैसे हम सिखाते हैं, तो नई तरीके से हम लोगों ने इसको ईजाद किया है। डॉक्टर टी प्रसाद और डॉक्टर धूमे ये इसके हम लोग इसका अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप इसमें हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट एंटरप्राइजेस। हम लोग स्टूडेंट से बोलेंगे कि अपना एक काम स्टार्ट करें और इस काम को बढ़ाएं, और अगर वो काम कमर्शलाइज हो सकता है और उसका इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट हो सकती है, सो वी आर इवन विलिंग टू फंड इट।
alright. So how many places are you covering right now?
पूरा पुणे कवर करेंगे, मेन जितने भी मार्केट्स हैं, लक्ष्मी रोड, तिलक मार्केट, कोरेगांव पार्क, कल्याणी नगर, ये सब मेन मार्केट कवर करेंगे। इसमें स्टूडेंट को सोसाइटी में जाना अलाउड नहीं है, मॉल्स में जाना अलाउड नहीं है, तो उनको सड़क पर जाके लोगों को कन्विंस करना है और सामान बेचना है, और उनको ना डिस्काउंट देना अलाउड है और ना ही अपनी जेब से पैसा लगाना अलाउड है।
Alright.
So in the end of the day, they will come back and they will now next day they will share all the experience, what they have learned out of Mandi. कुछ लोग मना करेंगे, कुछ लोग खरीदेंगे, कुछ लोग बातें करेंगे, तो जो सड़क पे चलता हुआ कंज्यूमर है उसको कैसे कन्विंस करना है
Right.
और छोटे पैसे को कैसे कमाना है, तो हमारा धंधा हमारी कमाई, ये हमारा नारा है।
Are the students excited?
The students are very excited. You can see the crowd. They are very excited. और पूरा का पूरा उनका ओवरव्यू चेंज हो गया है। दिवाली से पहले इससे अच्छा गिफ्ट उनके लिए नहीं हो सकता।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
on the steps, all of you.
All students, please sit on the steps.
Everybody, within the next 1 minute, please.
Please sit on the steps. Guys, can we have the chairs empty?
We need the chairs for the guests, please. Can you move behind? Yeah.
There will be so many guests that they can come and try.
Not so far behind. Where are you guys going?
Official photographer.
You're clicking a photograph or a video?
Video.
Okay. We are really proud to showcase our students on Monday.
Yeah, then have you met? Okay,
Can you interview all thanks to the three musketeers, Dr. T. Prasad, Dr. Dhume, and Mr. Ghosh, that this has been possible.
Thank you so much. So you want to have one quick round of like what is understand this process?
I like the Mandi aspect very much because Mandi means converging everything one point. So I'm sure we have all the aspects of education, whatever I think Dr. Prasad said, earn every day's meal. So that's a great philosophy.
Thank you so much, sir.
Let me have the privilege to sit back in.
End of this new concept actually.
Yeah, this is in fact a lacuna which is there in the conventional business education system.
Right.
Hello.
Which is more oriented towards
Yeah, we'll practice the slogan in Marathi. First I'll tell both the lines.
In the water, we believe that we can't understand the skills
see,
of swimming.
the first one is Gheuya Unnatichi Jhandi.
We are giving lectures on swimming and expect the students to swim.
Unnat karuya apli mandi.
So this kind of concept bridges.
Gheuya Unnatichi Jhandi. Gheuya apli mandi. Gheuya Pragatichi Jhandi. उन्नत करूया आपली मंडी. जय महाराष्ट्र.
This is INS Virat, right? Indian Naval Service. So yesterday it was built in Madgaon Naval Dock, and 4 of our engineers will be part of this team. And the products have been used from this NGO, and we will be selling this INS Virat in the market today. We hope that it will instill in the child's mind.
So how the wave going on? Energy wave.
It's like I already mentioned that it's unleashing energy, and we are seeing already under this scorching sun, the students are springing up like anything. And here is our Anna, just fresh Anna. Yesterday he has not been just
Pragatichi Jhandi.
Unnat karuya apni mandi.
बेचो बेचो.
सीखो सीखो.
सीखो सीखो.
बेचो बेचो.
सीखो बेचो.
बेचो सीखो.
बेचो सीखो.
सीखो बेचो.
बहुत तेज धूप है यार. Very hot.
Everybody, can you please settle down on your seats?
Nilofer is a very commonly poetry. That guy, he could comprehend all my questions. I asked him
All you need is... Thank you, Atem.
Welcome.
Mandi.
What was the line?
Jai Maharashtra.
I have a dream.
They have a dream. They have a dream. We have a plan. All we need is your hand.
Maharashtra, apli mandi.
Such people take time out and share. Hobby is one thing which really makes man alive. It is beyond.
Everybody, please sit on the first 2 staircases.
your fan for a long time. But I was with Professor Bhushan. He is my mentor. Professor Bhushan is my mentor. I was in the text for a long time. So I did very close to the seminar. My training center was.
Come, please. Dr. Dhume is also equally confident in his
Good morning, everyone. And a warm welcome on an equally warm morning, which I'm sure by now all of us are looking forward to mastering in the next couple hours when we are going to be on the streets doing it and making it happen in a true sense. I would like to thank our three musketeers who have made this possible. With the Mandi team, leading them is the pioneer in Mandi, Dr. T. Prasad, who has made this happen. Along with him, we have his team members, Dr. S.M. Dhume, who is also an associate professor at NIIT. And we have with them, at NITI. I'm so sorry. We have Mr. J.N. Ghosh, who is a trainer in the pharmaceutical industry and now retired and has spent over 40 years in the industry with training, so is an integral part of the whole team. Our chief guest today is Mr. Ashok Kaul, an eminent director. So we are really glad to have you amongst us, and he went on to direct a film which was actually an award-winning film called Bhagmati, for all of you who are not aware. I would now request the Mandi organization team to come up and help felicitate our chief guest. Can Ritu come up? Why doesn't the entire organization team come up on stage? Mr. S.M. Dhume. And Mr. J.N. Ghosh. Making this experience so great for all the students. I would now request you all to help us light the diya. Yeah.
Very fancy diya.
अब सकुन हो गया, अब नहीं पीनेगा।
I think we can clap for it.
सीखो बेचो 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 सीखो सीखो बेचो सीखो बेचो बेचो सीखो.
Good job. They have shared the whole experience with us and have assisted us with this in terms of providing us with their toys and all the creativity which comes out of the non-profit. The proceeds for our whole exercise and the entire experience of Mandi would go towards Navnirmiti. So welcome everyone. इसको दीजिए। थैंक यू मैम।
ओम अस्तो मा सदगमयो तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा उर्मितम गमय। Om, the ocean of knowledge. Om, where everything emerges from. Take us from unreality to reality, from darkness to light, from mortality to immortality, from death to immortality. We were just trying to light a lamp. Long time back I had written a verse. बदलने दो हवाओं का रुख अपना, हमने तो अपनी दिशाएं चुन ली है। I'm here. It's a proud privilege for me. Dr. Nikhil Agarwal, Mr. Ghosh and others. It's truly an honor to a filmmaker. My journey in life has been from a soldier to a filmmaker. From stealth to penetrate into the enemy lines and destroy him. Behind the camera to capture emotions. Capture the unreality of the reality of thoughts. And now